May I know your complete name, ma'am?
I'm Mahima Sharma.
Where do you stay in Delhi?
I stay in Sector 7 Rohini.
How old is your kid?
My kid is 3 years and 6 months now.
What were you looking for your child, ma'am?
I was looking for a play school which gives a complete education to my child, not just academically. I want my child to do be in like excelling in academics. I just wanted that physically as well as moral value and all other aspects like its creativity, should be addressed to. So that's what I was looking for my child.
Which all play schools did you consider for your kid?
Initially, I went to many schools, like there are few in Paschim Vihar, even this Lancers Convent School, and even Mother's Pride, and I just can't remember a name. There's a name. There's a school in Paschim Vihar, though it was very nice a school, but again it was very far from my place, so I just did not consider that school. And finally, I got to know about this school, and when I came here, and the PR person, she showed me the presentation about this school, and I really loved the concept, the way they have, they are introducing it to the children. So I like that.
Ma'am, where you considered this Lancer Convent School? Where is it?
It is in Sector 9.
And one more you considered, that is?
That is Mother's Pride, the Bali
Where?
Chowk. It is the Bali Chowk.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which school did you finally choose and why?
So I chose Little Millennium, and because when I came here and when I saw the things, the people are very they just want to tell you the things about the school, and when I saw the specific areas which can give a complete education to my child, I really like that they are not just and they have a proper format. How they're telling, how they're teaching to the kids. They're not just written, haywire. They have a proper format. They have the books, they have the lesson plans which they, give it to their teachers, and then they carry it forward to the children. So that's what I like, that they have a set curriculum to tell to the children.
Ma'am, how has your experience been with Little Millennium School?
I think it was really good. From 1 year, I've seen so many positive changes in my child, and I'm really happy with this school. Yeah.
What are the two things about the school that you really like?
I liked, again, I would say that, teachers are very considerate, and they actually, they're like second mothers to the child, and whenever we feel that, how my child is eating and how my child is behaving, I think they have the complete information about the child, and they just satisfied you to the core that yes, your child is in the good hands. So that's one thing I really liked. The second thing what I liked is that there are specific areas within this school, where you have a library, you have a creative corner, you have a painting session, you have a play area. So all these things, I think they boost your child's creativity as well as the performance of the child all over. So I like that.
Ma'am, do you think that there are some areas that require some improvement according to you in Little Millennium School?
Yeah, I just feel few. Yes, one is the teacher-student ratio, definitely, because initially, it was little lesser, but gradually they've increased the number of children and the teacher has reduced to one. So that is one thing. The other thing I feel that, academically, they should focus more on the phonic sounds and some, gross motor skills of the children, like handling the pencils and writing properly. So I feel that area should be, focused upon these two things.
Anything else with respect to this?
I think that's it. Yeah.
How likely would you be to recommend Little Millennium School to other parents also, on a scale from 1 to 5?
1 to 5.
1 is for least recommendation, 5 is for high recommendation.
I would say 4.
4.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.